You want to know what's trending right now? Come here. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Hey, look, check this out. I think we good. We don't need to hide anymore. Anyway, so you want to know how to tell what's trending on Reels? Well, let me show you real quick. What you see here is my other cell phone. I'm recording off of this. I'm going to go ahead and get this screen recorded so that way I can show you how you're supposed to set this up. And this is how you would know. I'm going to have the video right here. If you look down here at the bottom, you'll see that there's an arrow. Arrows mean that is a trending reel. That means that reel is steady climbing right now. Everybody's making these reels. If you want to, you can see the audio right there. All you have to do is save audio. Click that button there, save audio. And now you got that audio saved. Now that's just the song. Hold on, let me get that out of my beard. Let's get that wonderful beard trying to grow back. Anyway, so now in order to get this effect, click one of the video, okay? You'll see it say ROTOSCOPE. That is the effect. When you click that effect, it'll say ROTOSCOPE or Vintage Glow. Click Roto, make sure you hit that button over there, which I already have saved. Boom. And that's how you save that. And then this is how you get ready to create that skit. Now, you can use the audio. Click use audio to where you're at right now. You're using the audio and you can click right there. You go to your save filters. ROTOSCOPE, you click that, boom. Over here. Like that. And that is how you will use that Reels or that saved format for that trending topic. Keep going, keep creating. Hope to see you soon.